Oh my God, dude. Hey, net boy, get the net in the front. Woo. Oh shit, hell yeah. Fucking A, that's a fucking, what is that, man? Anchovy?
Yeah.
Anchovy. We'll see, this is a nice one. Oh, hell yeah, boy.
Got it?
Hell yeah.
Got it?
Come on, net boy. Hey, rookie net.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Ooh.
Not bad. Yeah, why not? Right here. Come on.
Go ahead, bro. Put that shit over here. Bring that over here like a man. That's 20-something inch.
Ooh. First one.
I think this one.
That's 121.
19. 20.
20, yeah.
20. Let me put a side talk. Side talk, not right.
No, the way you want to.
You hear that? Broken English. Where? Right in front.
Yeah, right here. Hey, come back here. Look, check my backpack.
I got it. I got it over there.
Yeah. No, I got it right here. That could try.
No, I can only.
You're the little other. That could try. You're the little.
No, I can only try to make sense. No.
What, huh?
Oh man, this is more than all the way out.
Hey, keeper, huh? Oh, fuck it. Okay. All right, that's our first keeper today. Second striper. Both hit on what? Anchovy? Okay. Okay, we'll probably hook up some more.
Finally become the pro.
It's windy. We're the only one out here, huh?
Hey, the rookie finally become the pro.
Alrighty.